In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up a Zoom account. So you want to log into your My CSUDH and then click on the Zoom button here. And from here, you want to click Sign In. And on this menu, you want to click on Meetings. And you basically want to set up an individual meeting from 10 to 1:30 because you're going to have two reviewers that are going to be looking at your work, one from 10 to 11 and another one from 12 to 1. And I would just add another half an hour just in case the meeting goes longer. So you want to say schedule a new meeting, and you can say uh, reviewer. And so this is options that you can basically add additional information. And here you basically want to choose the date and the time. Let's say 10 and say 5 hours. This is good to sort of add a little bit of extra time just to be on the safe side. And from here you can just change the options, so you can include the video. You want to leave this alone, and these are some additional options that you can use to customize. You want to click save, and basically this is the link that you want to send to your two reviewers. And basically that is it, and I hope this video is helpful.